Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we have some great news. We have the first official look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and the S25. These come in stunning renders, and the best part is these images hint at something greater, a superior new feature. We also have some insane benchmark comparisons between the S25 Ultra and the S24 Ultra that highlight just how powerful the S25 Ultra is going to be, bringing it into super phone territories. So let's dive in and see what's going on and get all the details. Now, before we dive in, as you may or may not know, Samsung has made the S25 series official. They are launching on January 22nd, and you can actually reserve to pre-order right now. There is going to be a link down below. When you click that link, you are going to be at this website. When you reserve the S25 Ultra and reservation is 100% free, you are also entered for a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung gift card, which is mind-boggling. And this is just for reserving. And on top of that, you'll get $50 in free Samsung credits and up to $1,250 in savings on the day of the pre-order. So make sure to click the link down below to get started. So again, this is a no obligation offer. All you do is swipe down, put your name, your last name, your email, check this box to enter the giveaway for $5,000. All right, and then answer these two questions and then click the blue reserve now button. All right, and that's it, guys. You're locked in for savings, there's no obligation to buy, and you could win $5,000. Now let's dive in and look at the S25 Ultra, which I think is going to blow your mind. So we are going to be looking at the renders, but first let's look at the benchmarks of the S25 Ultra versus the S24 Ultra. Now, as you know, the S25 Ultra is going to have a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor versus the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor on the S24 Ultra. And you can see on the screen, we have the S24 Ultra, and we also have a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor running in a different smartphone. This is the Nubia Red Magic. The same processor is going to be in the S25 Ultra. Now look at the results. The single core performance on the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, that's going to be in the S25 Ultra, is 34% faster than the already fast S24 Ultra. The multi-core performance is even more insane. It went from 6,694 on the S24 Ultra to 9,785 on the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is going to be in the S25 Ultra, and that is nearly a 40% improvement in performance. This is absolutely insane. This is even faster than the iPhone 16 Pro Max that just came out a couple months ago. So we are going to be looking at a powerful phone. It is going to have up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and based on some leaks and rumors, it is going to be using a faster type of UFS 4.0 storage. All this combined is going to give this phone a powerful boost in performance. Now looking at the renders of the S24 Ultra provided by Roland from Twitter, you can see the super slim bezels and also the Qi 2 charging case. So here's the S25 Ultra from all angles. Looks stunning. It does have rounded corners as opposed to the boxy corners. Here's the S25 Plus, which also has ultra slim bezels. And here's the S25, the smallest model, which is also going to have extremely thin bezels. Now, one thing you will notice is all the S25 cases have a ring on it. That ring signifies the Qi 2 charging standard. This is going to be a brand new charging standard that's going to be in the S25 Ultra that is going to bump the wireless charging speed from 15 watts to 25 watts for even faster wireless charging. As it is right now, it takes almost 3 hours to charge these phones wirelessly. Now, the Qi 2 wireless standard also demands that phones have built-in magnets inside the wireless charger, which could mean the S25 Ultra is going to have MagSafe-like accessories. We are not 100% sure about that situation. It's still a little blurry. It is going to have the Qi 2 standard with the faster charging, but it may or may not have the magnets. If it doesn't have the magnets, then Samsung is going to provide this case with a ring on it that is going to emulate the function of the magnet. So then you can use accessories like iPhone's MagSafe on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, that is wireless chargers and other wireless accessories you can attach to the back of your phone just by using magnets. We're not 100% sure if these magnets are going to be built in to the S25 Ultra or is it going to be available via this ring case. Regardless, it is going to be an incredible feature. The big thing here is the Qi 2 wireless charging standard with faster wireless charging speeds. And of course, don't forget to click the link down below to reserve the S25 Ultra. Again, reservation is free, and just for reserving, you'll be entered to win $5,000 gift card and also get the $50 free Samsung credit on the day of the pre-order. All right, so that's it, guys. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.